Hey guys, welcome to Paths Oasis, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, in today's World series, we'll talk about Rome. Rome is the capital city of Italy, and I have friends who have visited Rome and they've shared good experiences and fun things to do in Rome. Firstly, Rome is where there's the Vatican. You can do a pilgrim tour. That is the home of the Pope, who is the head of the Catholic Church. Most Catholics go there on a pilgrim tour. Secondly, you can visit the St. Peter's Basilica, which has an authentic history and has good architectural buildings. Thirdly, you can visit the iconic Colosseum, which has a splendid architecture also, a good amphitheater, and which has different level grounds. As you go there, you can do exercise walking on those different level grounds. And fourthly, you can visit the Sistine Chapel and the Vatican Museum, where you can see the famous creation of Adam artwork by Michelangelo. And fifthly, as you finish touring, you can visit the restaurants. They have delicious cuisine. They have pizza in different flavors. They have pasta, and the best is the gelato. They have very many shops that sell gelato, all kinds. For sure you'll enjoy. I have a travel tip also. When you visit the restaurants, which have a different variety of foods, you can request the chef to give you some recipes which you can try at home. Well, that's it from Paths Oasis. For more details, check out my website, pathsoasis.com. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.